Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Ambuja Public School. I'm your teacher Kavita Sharma, and today we are going to learn English. And in English, we are going to learn our poem number 3 from Unit 3, One Little Kitten. And its poet is Caroline Graham. Who is poet? The one who composes the poem, one who writes the poem is called poet. So let's see what we are going to learn from this poem. We are going to learn numbers in words, describing words, names of animals. Now let's recite the poem. One little kitten, two big cats, three baby butterflies, four big rats. One little kitten, two big cats, three baby butterflies, four big rats. Five fat fishes, six sad seals, seven silly seagulls, eight happy eels. Five fat fishes, six sad seals, seven silly seagulls, eight happy eels, nine nervous lizards, 10 brave bees, 11 smelly elephants, 12 fat fleas. Nine nervous lizards, 10 brave bees, 11 smelly elephants, 12 fat fleas. 13 alligator, 14 whales, 15 donkeys with 15 tails. 13 alligator, 14 whales, 15 donkeys with 15 tails. So isn't it very amazing poem? Okay, now let me explain you what is the meaning of this poem. So this poem is about many animals, and for those animals we have used a different describing words. हमने बहुत सारे words यूज़ किए हैं जिससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि ये animals कैसे हैं और कितने हैं, कितने numbers के हैं. Okay, so it is one little kitten. So here you can see in the picture, वहाँ पे little मतलब छोटा सा, एक छोटा सा kitten है. What is the meaning of kitten? Kitten is a baby of a cat. Next is two big cats. Here we can see two cats. And there are, कैसी हैं वो cats दोनों? They are big. The cats are very big. Next, three baby butterflies. Now there are three baby butterflies. मतलब छोटी छोटी सी butterflies हैं. They are baby. They are not very big. They are baby butterflies. And how many are these? 1, 2 and 3. Okay, next is four big rats. Now there are rats also. Rats are these small which has these kind of these hair they have, and they have a tail, and they have these kind of nose and these kind of ears. You might see you might have seen Tom and Jerry. Yes, Jerry is a rat. So this way, four big rats. Next, five fat fishes. Can you see these fishes? ये फिशेस कैसी हैं? इतनी फैट है ना, देखो कितनी फैट है. सो देर आर फाइव फैट फिशेस. नेक्स्ट, सी सिक्स सैड सील्स. नाउ कैन यू सी the faces of these seals? They seems very sad. They are not happy. वो बहुत दुखी हैं. And वो which animal is called seal? सील इज़ अ वाटर सेमी एक्वेटिक, मतलब कभी थोड़ा सा पानी के बाहर भी आ जाता है और पानी के अंदर भी रहता है. सो दिस एनिमल इज कॉल्ड सील. नेक्स्ट, सेवन सिली सीगल्स. सीगल्स आर वाटर डक्स जो हमेशा पानी के आसपास रहते हैं. ओके, सो दिस टाइप ऑफ बर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड सीगल. ये जो बर्ड होते हैं ना जिसकी ऐसी ऑरेंज बीक होती है, जिसके ब्लैक और वाइट फेदर्स होते हैं, दीज आर कॉल्ड सीगल्स. नेक्स्ट, 8 happy eels. Eels are also वो water animal है जो पानी में रहते हैं. It is a kind of fish, but it looks like a snake like this, but it is fish. ये long है, long snake type fish होती है, लंबी सी होती है. And how it is called fish? Because देखो इसके यहाँ पे fins हैं. Can you see this? इसके fins होते हैं. Okay, so it is eel. Next, 9 nervous lizard. Nervous मतलब जो बहुत डरता है. These lizards, can you see? These lizards are looking very scary. इनको बहुत डर लग रहा है. So these are nervous lizards. Next, 10 brave bees. Bees, there are 10 bees which are very brave, जो कि बहुत brave है, वो तो किसी से डरती भी नहीं, बहुत बहादुर है, बहुत strong, छोटा भीम के जैसे. So there are 10 brave bees, बहुत ही बहादुर bees हैं. Next, 11 smelly elephants. Elephants हैं जिनमें से स्मेल आ रही है, स्मेली हैं वो ऐसे उनमें से they all are stinking, they are smelly elephants. 11 smelly elephants. There are, you can see in this picture, there are 11 elephants. Next, 12 fat fleas. There, the fleas are also kind of an insect. These fleas are also fat. ये fat है, कोई ऐसे thin नहीं है. They are fat, बहुत fat है देखो. And there are 12 हैं वो fleas. Next, 13 alligators. Alligators are also semi-aquatic, मतलब आधे टाइम पानी में रहते हैं, आधे टाइम वाटर में रहते हैं. And alligators हैं, alligators. You might have seen alligators. These kind of alligators, they are very huge, they are very giant, and they are a wild animal. They can eat you up. And usually we see them in zoo. हम zoo में देखते हैं जब जाते हैं तो बहुत बड़े बड़े alligators पानी के पास बस होते रहते हैं. They are very lazy also. They don't move. वो बहुत धीरे चलते हैं और बहुत टाइम तक हिलते ही नहीं. They just keep on sleeping. So there are 13 alligators. 14 whales. Whale is a kind of fish. Blue whale is known as a biggest water animal. These are whales. So how many are these? These are 14. And then 15 donkeys. You can see there are 15 donkeys. Donkeys are usually used to carry goods. Donkeys को usually क्या करते हैं, सामान उठाने के लिए इधर उधर उनको यूज़ करते हैं. So how many are these? These are 15. Next, with 15 tails. In 15 donkeys के क्या है, 15 tails है. You can see these tails. Yes. So it is in the poem, it is said that 15 tails. So this was the poem which had many names of animals and there were many describing words and many number names. Now let's see the keywords from the poem. Yes, it is kitten, the baby of cat. Butterflies. Yes, the butterflies which we see around the flowers. They just take the juice of flowers and they just fly here and there. Very small and beautiful and colorful. Next are sad. Sad means which are not happy. They are very sad. If I take your favorite chocolate with you, you will be sad. So that is the meaning of sad. Seals. As we have already seen the seals. Seals are water animal. And sometimes they stay outside the water also. Silly. Silly means जो एकदम बुद्धू होते हैं, जिनको बिल्कुल अक्कल नहीं होती. They are बुद्धू. They are silly. Seagulls. Seagulls are also, these are water birds which we see near the river or ocean or near pond. Next, eels. Eels, I have shown you that it was a long snake type fish. It has a small fins also. Next is nervous. Nervous मतलब जिसको डर लग रहा हो. That is nervous. Brave. Brave मतलब strong, जिसको डर नहीं लगता है बिल्कुल भी. Brave. Next. Smelly. Smelly मतलब जिसमें से smell आती है. That is called smelly. Fleas. Fleas are kind of an insect. Alligators. Alligators are also semi-aquatic animal जो आधे कभी पानी में रहते हैं और कभी water में land पे रहते हैं. Whales. Whales are very big fish which lives in ocean. बड़े बड़े ocean में रहते हैं. Now we are going to find out the rhyming pairs from the poem. Rhyming pairs, for finding a rhyming pairs we read the last word of the poem. हम poem का जो होता है ना last word पढ़ते हैं. Okay. So kitten, cats, butterflies, rats. अगर हम ये पढ़ेंगे तो cats and rats sound same. So this is a rhyming word from the poem. The next is seals, seagulls, eels, lizard. Yes, the word is seals and eels. So these both are rhyming words. Next is bees, elephant, fleas, alligator. Yes, bees and fleas. This is a rhyming pair. Next, alligators, whales, donkeys, tails. Yes, so the keyword is, the rhyming words are whales and tails. So these were the rhyming words. Now you also have to just recite this poem again and again. You have to enjoy this poem. Okay, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye and thank you.